my channel. Okay, no, we're squashing that. Like, why do we say that? So it's 7 p.m. right now on Monday. I'm driving to work. It's only for 4 hours, and I literally did not move from my bed all of today. I had class 8 to 11. I studied for like an hour, and then got in bed and didn't get out until 5 minutes ago. Just got done work. It's 11:30 and I have to be back at the hospital tomorrow morning for a field experience at 7. So that's great. So I guess I haven't really explained to you guys what my job is. I'm a student nurse extern, which is just a different word for saying patient care tech, but it just means that I'm in nursing school. So I just like help with whatever the nurses want me to do, take vitals, help with like washing the patients up when they need to be bathed. Yeah, but tomorrow I'm going to the surgery center. I'm going to be watching a procedure. I don't know, like obviously I don't know what it is, but I'm kind of nervous because I don't want to like throw up. Well, I'm not gonna throw up, but like pass out or something. I just got done my field experience. It actually was really cool. I got to see 3 procedures. They were all coincidentally on the uterus. Probably just gonna eat. I'm getting changed, and then I have class at 2. And then I think I'm probably going to study until yoga at 5:15. I accidentally bought short leggings. I meant to order long.
Mastectomy, when we're going to have the breast itself, a lot of the lymph.
He was like, hey, you want to go to this with us? Like, whatever. And I said, sure, sounds good. He said, all you need to do is get the alcohol. Easy.
Good morning. It's Wednesday. I'm just getting ready for the day. Why do I sound like a 50-year-old man? So today I have class 8:45 to 10:45, and then I have a sim lab at 1:30, and then I have class at 3. So I'm pretty new to the world of like vlogging, and I've just been making college in my week in my life, rather than like daily vlogs. But I want to know what you guys like, because the college vlogs are doing the best on my channel, which I understand because like that's what I like to watch. So I want to keep doing college vlogs since like way more people are coming to my channel than my other videos. I thought it'd be a good time to ask you guys, like, what do you want to see? Like, would you rather me do a couple day in my life, like maybe a day in my life and a weekend in my life every week, or would you rather the whole week with just like shorter clips and stuff like that? So comment and let me know what you guys want to see, and while you're there, subscribe so you can see whatever I end up doing.
So you guys will still practice like connecting it.
Surprise!
Yeah, the one working.
Oh my god, the head's wrapped in it.
You're right.
It's wrapped in me.
Not freaking for the presentations? No. Yeah. Are you vlogging this week?
I am.
I don't think people like when I film that.
The only thing I have is like,
Just got dinner with my friend Emma. So from Roots, I got like a bowl. I did create your own. I did kale and roots rice, which is black. I don't know why. It's really good though. And then I got broccoli, corn, onions, feta, and chickpeas. And then I got barbecue tofu. So good. I still have half left, probably for lunch tomorrow. And then we went to Rita's. Oh my god, my hair. I always have like the craziest things. We're just gonna roll with it. So I just finished yoga. I'm so sweaty. It was about 25 minutes, but I was doing headstands for half, and then I did like some sun salutations and stuff. But does anyone else feel like they literally change like 10 times a day? Like, I wake up and I put an outfit on, and then if I have a sim lab, I change into my scrubs, and then I normally would like change out of them, probably back to what I had on in the morning, but either way. And then I like just put on clothes to work out. I feel like I'm constantly changing outfits. But like this video, if you can relate, if you're a nursing major especially and you have to change into scrubs and stuff. I don't know what the heck that ordered. I was trying to order a vanilla sweet cream cold brew, but I think I accidentally asked for, I don't know. But it's good. Here we are. In the stores. Oh my god. Say hi, Mama.
Hi, Brett.
Say hi to my vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Vlog.
Vlog?
Blob. She said blob.
Thank you.
Vlog.
Vlog. V-L-O-G.
She said vlog. It's a video blog. So it's like a blog.
How do
But
you see it?
I put it on YouTube.
How do you find it? Just search your name, Brittany's.
Brittany's vlog. Just put that in YouTube. Yeah.
I'll show you. I don't know how to
I'll
do it.
show you
Natalie
them
will
later.
show us. I don't know how to do it.
I have to sneeze. Hi vlog, it's prom prep time. So I came home today for Natalie's, well tomorrow is her pictures, but your girl needs her hair done badly. So we're gonna do that tonight. I'm gonna do that tonight. Natalie's gonna do that. Well, I wanna see if they have a hair mask, like a purple one. Do they not sell that at Sally's? Probably do. Well, I also need like a purple hair mask. It's fine now, but once I dye it, like this part's all gonna be like pretty orangey. I hope it's like chilled I pick tomorrow. We'll see how it goes.
She's vlogging. Do you want to say hi?
What's up, vlog? It's me, Zach Zebrowitz here.
I can't see anything, but after toning it, all the yellow came out, and I'm literally so blonde.
Hey, go check out Life in America or something whenever it comes out. By the time this video goes up, hopefully it'll come out. Vlog. How do you vlog?
I'm vlogging. Say hi to the vlog, ladies.
Hey, what's up?
Are you a lady?
Basically.
Hi. Happy prom.
Hi. Hi.
You need to flash? You can't see us at all. Yeah, no, there was no way I was gonna beat him. A little breakfast and Fortnite action. Are you proud of me?
So proud.
You have to do it sideways though.
It's Cinco de Mayo! The gang's all here!
Or the first episode of season 1. Okay,
Which
no,
you can't
I
start
started
with.
out
You
with
can't
the
start
first
season one
episode of season 4, and I love. That's why I was like,
Happy Cinco de Mayo.
could happen. Happy Cinco de
But I
Mayo.
don't think that they would.
Hello. Hey world.
We found this walking home last night. It's our new decor.
Today, or not yesterday, the other
Cheers.
week.
Me and my I needed.
Are you blogging?
Okay, I'm on Brooke, are you listening? Brooke's to go in.
We're blogging, Carly. We're blogging.
I'm
Vlog with a V. With a
Pause
V.
for the vlog.
V. Vlog.
Vlog. I love being vlogged.
Is this for your YouTube channel?
Yeah.
I didn't really vlog much last night. We didn't really do anything after spending the day outside. We just like hung in and got Chinese food. But today is Sunday and I'm going to be studying all day because I have 2 exams this week. So I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss my next video, and thanks for watching.